Hey traders, if you've been struggling to find a strategy that works across crypto, forex and stocks, today's your lucky day. After years of testing, I've developed a high probability trading strategy that adapts to any market. And guess what? I'm sharing it with you right now. And that is channel strategy. Let's draw a channel here. I'm using this parallel channel tool. Look, here is 1, 2 and 3 touches in the upper side and 1, 2 and 3 touches in the lower side. So it's a perfect channel, and here is the breakout. Once a breakout happens, make sure this breakout candle is strong enough. Yeah, this candle is very stronger. We're going to place a long position here. Our stop loss at the bottom of this channel, and our target point is at the top of, close to the top of the most recent high. Look what's going to happen here. Yeah, some more. It's really cool. Oh, we just won the trade. So our first trade is a win trade, and the risk reward ratio was 3.67. Here is one more channel. Let's draw it. Great. This channel is really perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 touches in the upper side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 touches in the lower side. Let's wait for a breakout. Yes, here's a breakout happened. Now we are looking for a long position. We're going to place a long position here. Our stop loss is going to be the most recent low, and our take profit is going to be 2 or 2.5 times. Okay, here is our risk reward ratio, 2.6. See what's going to happen here. Oh, really cool. We won this trade too, and we won 2 trades in a row. And here is one more opportunity to place a buy position here. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 touches in the upper side, and 1 2 3 3 touches in the lower side of the channel. And here is a breakout. Let's place a long position here. Our stop loss is at the most recent low here, and our take profit will be at the top of the recent high. Our risk reward ratio is 1.69. Not bad. It's really cool. One more, yes. We won this trade. It's our 3rd trade. We won 3 trades in a row with this strategy. So I hope you understand how to use this strategy and must backtest this strategy at home before you apply in your real trades. See you in the next video. Bye.